Hello everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. This is the LeetCode 75 study plan series, and this is the first problem from the LeetCode this study plan. That is the merge string alternatively. And in this, let's read the problem statement first. You are given the two strings, word1 and word2. Merge the string by adding the letters in the alternating order. Starting from the word1, if a string is longer than the other, then append the additional letters onto the end of the merge string and return the merge string after the final result. So let's see the example. We have the input word1 is the A, B, C and word2 is the P, Q, R. And after merging it, I get the A, P, B, Q, C, R. Means from the A, then P, then B, then Q, then C, then R. So this is the resultant output for this. And for example number 2, if we see word1 has only two alphabets, that is A and B, and word2 has the four alphabets P, Q, R, S. And if you see here, the word2 length is the longer than the word1 length. So you have to merge them like normally A, then P, then B, then Q, and after that the R and S as the remaining elements, remaining alphabets. So let's write the this problem means this understand the very powerful pattern, that is the two pointer and the merge patterns in this problem statement. And we will go from a clean beginner friendly solution to more optimized version that interview actually love, and let's get into it. So our approach for this is like a simple brute force approach. If I say this most straightforward approach, if I say let index 1 is equal to 0 and let index 2 equal to 0, then also take out the length is equal to word1 dot length, and let length 2 is equal to word2 dot length, and this is the word1. And after that we have to make a empty string, so this is the resultant string basically, and start a while loop. This while loop runs until the index 1 is smaller than length 1 and index 2 is smaller than length 2. So we have to just add the string into the string. We have to add the word1 of index 1 plus word2 of index 2. Basically in this problem statement we are already given that the merge string by adding the letters in the alternating order start with the word1. So that's why I write here the word1 as the first letter, and then means first alphabet, then the second word2, and we have to increase the index 1 also index 2. And after that means this is the normal case, like this. For example number 1, we have the same length patterns, and this satisfies the for that. But if length word1 length is more, then what? For that we have to handle that case. If index 1 is still smaller than the length 1, then we have to add into the str plus word1 of index 1 and index 1 plus plus every time. And also for the if the index the word2 length is the more as compared to the word1, so we have to handle that case also. For that, if index 2 is still left from the length 2, So we have to just str is equal to str plus word2 index 2 and index 2 plus plus, and in last return the string normal. So let's run the solution. Yes, it accepted. Let's try to submit the solution. Yes, it passed all the test cases, and 108 test cases are passed. So we use the basically the uh, two pointer approach here, the index 1 and index 2. These are the 2 pointers, right? And one for each string, right? And keep the adding characters alternatively, means first word 1, then the word 2 characters. And if one string early finish early, then append the last the rest characters of that string. But important point here is the where this can be improved, means this is not a good solution, right? Because this line looks, if you see here, str is equal to str plus word1 plus word2 of index. In JavaScript, strings are immutable, means so every time you do plus means addition of the string, a new string is created. This str is a new string every time. That means old string is copied and new character is added. So over many iterations, this becomes inefficient and can go towards the big of n square in the worst case, because these strings are immutable. Remember this. We cannot add the string like a normal one, because this is not a best case. So we have to optimize this by using the array format. The logic is entire same. We use the two pointer here also, but instead of the str in this string, we use the array here. And here also we have to just remove this str dot push this word 1 of index 1 and str dot push word 2 of index 2 and index 1 plus plus and index 2 plus plus, and same apply here also. We have to str dot push this word 1 and str dot push here also. And but this, if you see, I get the array format. Like if I console here, console dot log this str and try to run the solution, I get the array format. For that, in the JavaScript we have a function method called the str dot join that make into the string format. So let's create. Yes, I get the desired output, and now just return this str dot join, and let me remove this and try to run again. Yes, it passed, and let's try to submit the solution. Yes, it accepted, and now this is the most efficient way. And why this is better? Because push in the array we have the push method, and it has the fast operation and no repeated string copy and again creating a new string. And join build the final string only once in the last while the returning. So this is more scalable and interview friendly solution. And this let's compare the both solution. Like string, in the string, when we are using the string method, we are just adding the bins by using the plus operator, and it's a simple and intuitive means like, but this is like less efficient solution. And when I use the array method, this is the optimal and the scalable solution, and slightly more code, right? But like you have to write this str.push and str.push again and again, but this is the more scalable solution. This problem is not just about the string, it's about the two pointer plus the merge pattern. You will see this in the merge sorted array in the upcoming videos, and the merge intervals, even linked list problem also. If you understand this, don't just move on. Practice more problems on this exact pattern until it becomes automatic. And I'm building this complete series LeetCode 75. So if you want structure practice that actually makes you interview ready, and make sure you subscribe to JDCodebase and drop a comment merge pattern. I will share the next problem. So see you in the next video.